Good morning, players. It's top of the morning today. Fucking still got lagañas in my fucking eyes and shit. Fuck it, I got something special coming up today. Came across some skirts from the homie he was selling. You know, just to complete my kit real quick. So I'll show you guys the setup right now. We got my front BN kit. Different style of skirts because I wanted to match the fender right here. But you know what? It's time to change it up a little bit. Complete the kit. Check out the back. BN as well. Gotta complete it, you know. So yeah, that's where we're heading off to, the homies pad. Fucking, it'll be a quick little drive and shit. I'll show you guys the results right now. You already know we had to stop by the bank first. You know, we gotta have the money. That's what we did right now, top of the morning. I got the bank real quick. Got the cash, ready to bounce. Fucking pretty. Honestly, it's been a fucking while since I've gotten any parts and shit for the whip. Probably like over a year, probably, since I actually went out for a parts run and shit. Pretty fucking excited, you know. We're gonna complete this kit today. Let's get it. Just pulled up real quick. Check out the skirts. Shit's looking hard. Shit's sexy as hell. Tense. Damn. Damn, it's fucking exhaust, bro. That shit sticks out like a motherfucker. Alright, players. We got the skirts. Yes, sir. Alright, players, we're at the pad right now. You know what's going down already. You know me. Gotta get down real quick to match the IS a little bit. Doing those 50 shades of gray. Not exactly the same thing, but it is what it is. I don't give a fuck. Still bucket. Let me show you the setup real quick. Got my food right there. Paint right there. Use white primer because that's the only shit I had at the house. I don't feel like spending like that, you know. Plus it's raining. Kind of stopped right now, but yeah, you can tell it's all wet and shit. Yeah, this is the process right now. Shit don't look sexy. Trust. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Alright then, players. Finished up the kit. It's around like 9 o'clock. I'm exhausted. I had my pops help me out today with this shit. It's complete. I'll show you guys what's up right now. Hold on. See that? I know you see that. Sheesh. You complete, boys. Fucking shout out to the boy and shit for the skirts. No cap for making it possible. But yeah, this is the end of this video. You know, all good things come to an end, but it is what it is, you know. Gotta go to sleep now. Fucking exhausted. Fucking feet hurt. Well, that shit kind of kicked my ass. No lie. No bullshit. But we complete. Complete kit. I'm so happy. Alright then, players. Good night. See you on the next one.